So in less than 15 minutes, people can actually suffer hearing loss. And what this is low and mid-range frequencies overwork the hairs inside the ear canal. And by overworking these hairs, the cells in the cochlea actually die. And then this is actually progressive. So over time, it's actually additive. So the more time you spend in these low and mid-range frequencies, the more damage you're causing. And sometimes you don't even notice because the way your brain works is it overcovers the noise that's actually been missing. So we wanted to make sure that we believe the best protection is what you actually want to use consistently. So we're developing active noise canceling. So what this is we can reduce up to 40 decibels of heard noise by targeting specific and low frequency noises. We also include Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and we're developing a proprietary mesh communication network to allow people to communicate in groups without external communication networks. So our device is designed to fit on a streamline on the side of a helmet. So we've actually worked really closely to ensure that it's as streamlined as possible. So we've conducted over 150 interviews to date, and based on this, we've been able to break down our audience into people who are safety conscious, who wear high quality gear, who currently use Bluetooth, or are currently interested in new technologies. So by breaking down this information, we can look at the global market. So in Canada alone, there's over 625,000 registered motorcyclists, and this number jumps to over 20 million in the United States. Globally, there's over 202 million motorcyclists, and the biggest market is actually in Europe. So based upon our information, we were able to determine that our potential market was around 20 to 30 million people. So because of this, with 20 million people and an average sale price of 300 Canadian, which is really competitively marketed, this leaves us with a potential revenue of around $6 billion. So our biggest competitors are Cardo and Senna. They're motorcycle specific. They provide situational awareness, but they offer no hearing protection. Personal protective equipment market, such as in-ear earbuds and over-the-ear earbuds, provide noise protection, but they're unbiased, so they cancel all noise. So this is where Audyse comes in. We provide situational awareness, but we also target specific frequency ranges, so you have noise protection, but you can hear the noises you need to hear. So because we include Bluetooth 5.2, which allows us to have really high quality, which is actually the highest quality audio stream you can get on the market right now. We also include a 3D gesture engine, which allows users to swipe up to 5 centimeters away from the side of their helmet to control various functions. And lastly, we wanted to make sure it suits everybody as much as possible. So we have configurable audio and noise canceling settings, which users can configure via an app. So for our sales, we're planning on launching a pre-order campaign, and our preliminary sales or preliminary revenue will be through a sales-based approach. We also plan to have system add-ons, which users can add to increase their experience, but we won't hold back any of the add-ons. We won't hold back any of the necessary features at premium purchase. We're also talking to OEM manufacturers, and we've had the opportunities to talk to companies such as Fly Racing, KTM, Shoei, and HAC. And we've actually expressed interest from HAC and KTM about partnerships in the future. So we launched our website in January, and we received over 170 expressions of interest a day from people who want to purchase our product when we release it. We've also had a lot of interactions with potential customers and people who've come to us asking about expansions into other potential markets, and we plan to expand into the personal protective equipment and hearing aid markets in the future. So we're 3 engineering students. We have experience in oil and gas, aerospace and defense, and we also have over 5 years of sales experience combined. So we launched Audyse in 2019, and since then we've created our R&D, created our MVP, and incorporated it in 2020. We've started developing our final system, and we're currently in the process of finalizing our advanced development module and looking at certifications and testings we need to complete to be able to sell globally. In the future, we plan to expand into the Audyse personal protective equipment market, which is going to target specifically personal protective equipment. So we're looking for experts in the field of hearing damage, and we're also looking for connections who can give us guidance as we progress in our manufacturing and getting certifications globally. Thank you.